एक हाफ चंगेजी हाफ बटर चिकन away.
With Unlock 4 and Delhi Metro opening on one hand and increasing COVID-19 cases on the other, we all are in a phase that is it time to be brave enough to step out or still stay at home? Well, some of us are in the middle. Knowing that it is not a risk-free activity, people have started to eat out. Maybe because there is no evidence suggesting that you can contract coronavirus by consuming food or drinks. So I will be checking out a few restaurants in Delhi, keeping a lot of things in mind. 40 minutes की waiting है at Victor's. I was expecting a disposable menu or a digital menu. Gulati's पे भी waiting है, also 15 minutes waiting है. I'm going to see if SOPs are followed. 6 feet physical distancing, hand hygiene, thermal screening, mask, gloves, regular disinfection, sanitization, seating capacity, ventilation. रुको यार, लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है, तो अब चलते हैं, रास्ते में बताओ. All the 3 restaurants that I went to followed mandatory hand hygiene and temperature check at the entrance. All members of the staff wore masks and gloves. In fact, waiting की भी explanation मिली. When I spoke to the guy outside managing the whole seating arrangement, he told me that waiting इसलिए चल रही है because A, it takes a lot of time cleaning and sanitizing the whole space. B, because of course 50% capacity seating capacity रखी है तो लोग भी कम है यहाँ पे. फूड स्कैन करके मेन्यू इसी पे आ जाएगा, इसी पे मेन्यू. The internet wasn't working here, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक मेन्यू का पिक्चर दिया. They asked me to take a photo of it and then I can order it. यहाँ पे भी हमें ये स्कैन कोड दिया है, which will direct me to the menu of picture. I was expecting a disposable menu or a digital menu, but ये अब इसके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बहुत लोगों ने इसे छुआ होगा. Thankfully, I'm carrying my sanitizer and also the plates. मुझे लगा था disposable होंगी या पूछा जाएगा उसके लिए. तो कटलरी यहाँ पे गुलाटीज पे भी it is not disposable. The difference that I can see here is कि यहाँ पे सब लोगों ने फेस शील्ड भी पहना हुआ है, apart from mask and gloves भी पहने हुए हैं. And of course the seating is actually काफ़ी distance पे है. यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी distance पे बैठा हुआ है सबको. यहाँ पे भी seating capacity there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables here. जो ऑलरेडी काफ़ी जैम पैक रहता था, बट इधर सिर्फ 6 tables है. Another thing that they are following here is कि air condition भी open है and because it's an open area तो cross ventilation भी हो रहा है. So it is not suffocated और ventilation proper है यहाँ पे. So since our food is here, फटाफट से let's begin because another thing to really make sure is that you do not sit for a long time. Okay, just eat your food. Do not sit for a long time because that kind of जो risk है वो increase कर देता है. So restaurants अपने hygiene, sanitization का तो ख्याल रखते हैं, but what you should do, you have to recognize the risk factors, okay? Like don't use the toilets. If you see that a place is closely packed or poorly ventilated, you must understand that it's a bad situation. And if you go in there, so make sure you take a seat which is near a ventilator or a window. यहाँ पे cross ventilation का ज़्यादा scope है नहीं, and it is air conditioned, बंद है यहाँ पे और ducts लगे हुए हैं for ventilation. And definitely distancing है, but it is packed. According to the guidelines of the government of India, कि 25 to 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस के ऊपर मेंटेन होना चाहिए, which I felt is there. क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है because हर जगह ओपन स्पेसेस भी नहीं है. So इस सिनेरियो के अंदर you have to see कि जगह ज़्यादा crowded तो नहीं है. I mean that is something that you need to make sure. That is where that you decide that you're going to sit in this restaurant or not. Although there is distance and capacity भी कम है हर जगह पे. I mean I can actually see 50-40% ही है capacity, but 6 feet distance तो नहीं है. The safest way to do this is to select the brand you trust, call them and check for arrangements and then make your decision. Restaurant industry is adversely affected. So in this time when they're bleeding, don't leave them high and dry. If you are in the middle of deciding whether to step out and eat or to stay at home, I hope this video helped you a little bit there. Of course, eating out is not risk-free. See the restaurant that you're going to are following all the SOPs, and be very cautious. Take care of yourself.
एक बात तो पक्की है, इन द पोस्ट लॉकडाउन वर्ल्ड जो बात नहीं बदली वो है कि हाउ गुड द फूड स्टिल टेस्ट इन ईच ऑफ दीज रेस्टोरेंट्स। अल जवाहर की बिरयानी, गुलाटी के गलौटी कबाब्स और बिग चिल का चिल्ड चॉकलेट शेक,